guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the creation of a stream. In this session, we'll see an example how to create a stream programmatically. Let me create a class. I'll be giving the class name as stream creation. Public static void main. Finish. So we have created a class. Now I'll be creating a stream using the of method. So of method is the one which will be taking the multiple values. So of method is the one which will be taking the multiple values and it will be returning a string. How we will be invoking the of method? As the of method is a static method, we will be invoking using the class name. What is our class name? Stream is the class name. Okay. So now what I'll do is I want to create a stream using integer values. I want to store 10 to 60 values and I want to create a string. Okay. So how the string will be created? Using the of method, we have to create a string. So how we need to call the of method? Using stream.of. And here you need to pass multiple values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Right? You have created a string. Now what this of method will be doing? What this of method will be doing? It will be taking these values and it will be creating a stream of what type of values we are storing? Integer values. That's why we are giving integer. And we'll say this is a int string. Alright, fine. Now if I want to display this stream values, I'll be using a for each loop and I'll be displaying stream values. Let's see how I will do that. In stream dot for each, I'll be using system dot out double colon print ln. Yes, you need to use double colon. Double colon is a method reference. Actually, we will be discussing this topic method reference in the coming session. Okay, so now you have written. So now what you have to do is you have to right click on the class and run as a Java application. So this will return the stream values one by one. Stream is nothing but a sequence of elements. So when you are displaying the stream values, so it will be displaying one by one 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, something like this. Similarly, if you want to add the string based values, let's say for example you want to add the names of the countries, okay, and you want to create a stream. So we'll say stream.of. Here I'll be giving the India, Australia, England, and South Africa, and one more country, West Indies, and Pakistan. So these are the cricket playing countries. Okay. So now I'll be creating a stream. I'll be creating a stream by passing these values. I want to create a stream for these values. So I'll say, so what type of values it is storing or what type of values it is using to create a stream. So it's string values, right? So I'll be saying stream of string. And here I'll write stream string. Okay. So I'll say stream string. I want to display these values. Stream string dot for each system dot out double colon print ln. To display the stream values, we have to use this inside this for each loop. Let's right click and run as a Java application. Now this time we can see the country names are displaying India, Australia, England, South Africa, West Indies, Pakistan. So these are the values we are displaying as part of a string. Okay, so this is how we can create an object of a stream using the of method. In the next session, we will be seeing the stream method, and we'll see how we can create how we can create a stream using a stream method. Okay, so until then, thank you for watching.